Hey everybody, this is Jennifer Navarrete, and as you know, I am getting ready for my cross-country bike tour, and guess what I'm doing? I'm taking a mechanics class. Look at my hands. I'm here with Henry, who's teaching us everything that we need to know in order to make sure that if anything happens on the road, that we're totally prepared to cover it. So, Henry, what are some of the things that we've learned today?
Well, you learned how to put a quick link in the chain.
Got really strong doing that.
Work the broken spoke and put a new spoke in, and push it together and take it off and place it back into the derailer.
So you think, I feel like I'm better prepared now than I ever have
You
been.
have all that knowledge. It can definitely help you if you learn to do
Hey, everybody, follow everything that's going on by going to helpfitnessvideoquest.com/bike tour. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter using the hashtag HFBQ. Thanks a lot.